It seems complicated, but it's not too bad.
Hold on a sec. Just getting food buff.
That's good to know, Zach.
Okay, I'm ready.
Pretty sure Echo can as well with anti-magic shell.
Hmm.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The impurity must be cleansed. We must strike back at the nightmare.
Okay, ads coming. Want the wisps if possible. Or not there. Tree done. Oh, there they are. Kill the other ads. Dragon Prio. Take him away from them. Oh fuck, I forgot to mention the corruption. You see, I got a stacking debuff. When that reaches 30, go onto a green patch to cleanse it. Don't go onto it before you have 30 stacks.
Just need to clip it, don't stand in it.
Yeah, don't stand in it. Just go in, sit, and cleanse it, and go on. Cleanse on the way back, Equi, if you can, and then swip. Get that tree down. Thanks, swap when you can.
I could only cleanse one by the way, Tom. And my shield runs off.
Right, wisps.
When the dragon ad is nearing death, it gives intense raid-wide
Yeah,
AoE damage.
nuke down the dragon.
So please nuke it.
Shield walling.
Please get into Spirit Link if it pops up next to you.
Try to drop the brambles towards yellow, don't try to get through the room. I got him. Remember to cleanse yourself when you're near 30 stacks. Between 25 and 30 is fine.
Fuck!
Wisp priority. Always get the one closest to the boss. Then on to ads.
Interrupt the sisters.
Get him up a little bit further away from the boss if you can.
I'm trying.
Good so far, guys. Just keep.
You get the mana from standing with the tree.
Yep.
So interrupt the sisters. Go heal.
I'll take him.
Oh fuck.
Fuck.
You got click. You got 35 stacks. Cleanse yourself. 37. Move into the green.
Turtle some brambles if you can.
I'm cleansing myself. Then yep. You can take the ads like me.
At wisps.
I need to move over there and cleanse. Nuke down one dragon. You mark one with... Don't take both down at the same time, don't cleave them too much.
Yep.
Oh, move from that, move. Very good job, keep it up.
Ready to frame of Fury in.
Yeah. I'm down, by the way.
You're in.
Malthurian ASA.
Our last.
Frame of
Yeah,
Fury.
last.
The PO.
Okay, we got the Spirit and Nightmares now. Let's switch it each time.
How much?
Taunt, not taunt them. We can only take one stack. Next one will one shot, I believe. Or is it? I can't remember. Actually, no. We need 2 stacks. Sorry, I'm taunting him back. My bad, sorry. Fuck. I didn't have anything to pop. Just nuke him down. Nuke him. You can do it. Rank if you can. Fuck. Come on, guys, you can do it.
Down.
Nice, good job. Fucking one-shot Cenarius, I'm proud of you. Excellent stuff.
Cheers.
It's a good thing I stayed alive. I was the better choice. I was the fittest.
Damn.